All right, so welcome everyone to the most interactive math class online, where every child gets a chance to learn by God's grace. So this evening, in this Form 3 math class, students going into Form 3, we just reviewing the homework. We did question 34, 36. I'm going to ensure that they learn 37, do 37, and then we'll probably do 40 and call that George. Everybody have their graph books close by that we could do some graphs today by chance?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. All right, so let's go. All right, Analia. But somehow we have to communicate, so I'll know that you understand what we're doing, or when you don't understand. All right, everybody wrote this down already?
Yes, sir.
But what you can do, Analia, you could type in the chat. So go to the chat and look for teacher, the capital T, E. So Analia, if your mic isn't working, you can type in the chat. All right. So do that for me, please. All right, so let's move on to number 37. So it's 3x minus 7 equal to 9 minus x plus 6. Is there anything we could simplify on the left-hand side or on the right-hand side before we start to work? Is there anything we could simplify?
No, sir.
Yes, the 9 and the 6. The 9 and the 6. So you're writing back the right-hand side, which is 3x minus 7 equal. What are we doing with the 9 and the 6? Work that out for me quickly. Anybody want to help me with that? The 9 and the plus 6. What are we doing with them? So Trinity, what would you have next? If we have to simplify the 9 and the 6, Trinity, what would I write?
You would have 3x.
No, 9 plus 6.
Oh, 15x.
50. I mean, oops, just no. It will be 15 minus x. Everybody understands that? Everybody understand what I just did? Yes? All right, next line. Next line. Next line. I have 3x. I have the negative x. Put all the x's on the right-hand side for me. So let me ask Gabriel, what would I have for the third line? Tell everybody, Gabriel. What would
For
I
the
have for
third
the...
one,
Sorry?
3x equal to,
No, 3x. I have to add something to with the 3x.
pardon,
I have to add something with the 3x.
you gotta add x, so,
Right? So go ahead.
so it will, so it will be 4x
3x plus x equal what?
to 4x, so,
No, 15.
or equal to 15,
What about the
x
7? What about the 7?
minus 7,
Should I have minus 7 here?
um, yes, sir.
Now, watch it carefully again. What is 7 on the right-hand side, Gabriel?
It should be plus, it should be positive, sir.
Right, so good. Should be positive. So now I have 4x equal to what, Janicia? Janicia, 4x equal to
22.
22. Correct. So, Trinity, what I'm dividing by?
4.
4. So 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 4, 1. So I'm left with x. 2 into 4, 2. 2 into 22, 11. So I'll have 11 over 2. Or I could have 5.5. Everybody okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Jenny, say you okay with this?
Yes.
Yes? All right. One more. One more. Number 40. So it's 5 minus 4x plus 7 equals 22. Equals 2x, sorry. Is there anything I could simplify on the left-hand side? Gabriel, tell them, is there anything I could simplify on the left-hand side?
You could 4x plus 2x equal to 5 plus,
Why 2? Why are you
because
subtracting the 5 and the 7?
why am I subtracting?
Where
Say
you get the
I
2?
take,
Oh, oh, no, no, no. You say you have numbers, right? So work with your numbers. Say you have 5. All right, let me trace it over in pink. You have 5 and you have plus 7. What do? I have to use simplify this. How do you simplify the 5 and the 7?
or
First,
it's
huh?
so you're saying to add them,
So it will be, right, so tell me what to write. Negative 4x,
right, equal to
No,
12.
don't put equal to. Simplify the 5 and the 7.
So wait, what? Wait, so you're trying to say like simplify equal to
No,
12, sir?
simplify means make the 5. What I have 5 and 7, do something with the both of them. What can I
Right.
do with the two numbers?
So excuse you can add them, eh?
Yes, yeah, man. So 7 and 5,
That would be 12.
12. So you have to put, that means, right. So that is what I mean by simplify. So instead of having this long thing, now you have this short one.
All right, Willie?
You understand?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So you have to simplify first, everybody. All right, finish it up. How do I finish it up? How do I finish it up, Janice? Yeah.
It will be 4x plus 2x.
It's negative 4x, be careful, plus 2x
Yes.
equal to what?
5 plus 7.
No, we finished 5. Remember, we
Oh,
added 5 and 7 and we got 12.
right.
So now you brought the 2x over on the other side. The 2x was positive and it remained positive. That's what you're saying?
Minus 2x.
No, well, the 2x is still on this side. No, the 2x is not on this side because it took it on this side. When you carry the 2x on the other side, does it remain 2x or it becomes something else?
So you're confusing me.
I realize. I realize. When, all right, listen up carefully. This 2x on the left-hand side is the 2x that was on the right-hand side. So this is the right, R-I-G-H-T, and this is the left. All right, let's check. Let's check the number. We have a number here. 1. 2, you have another number, right? Then 1, you have a term. Change the color. 1, you have let's call it a term. And B, you have another term. So here what people, you want all the letters, the negative 4 and the 2x on one side only. That's what I'm doing. And the numbers, you're going to place them on the right-hand side. Everybody okay with that? Come on. Everybody understand what I just said? I think that is the problem. So let's go that over again. I have a 5. Now listen carefully. Let me show you all this. Is this a number? This 5. Is it this is a number. This is a term because it has a letter. Everybody okay with what I just said? So let me because I'm using words that I don't know if everybody understand what they mean. So you're gonna go this again. All right, so listen up carefully. So I'm going to ask, well, I really can't talk to Annalisa. I'll have to talk to your mom after the class because you have to prepare for this class an hour or two before with your device charged. Okay, so let's go again. Is this a number or a term? -6. Number or term? That
A
Trinity.
number.
Right, number. Thank you. N for number. Is this a number or term? 3y. Trinity, number or term?
A
3y.
term. Term.
Term. So what you want to do, good. So it's that simple. It's that simple. So what you want to do, you want the numbers on the right-hand side of the equation, and you want the terms on the left-hand side. So let's check to see how many terms we have and how many numbers we have. So we have a number here, that's 1. You have another number here, that's 2. But we want all of them on what side? Trinity? We want the numbers on the what side, Trinity? Huh?
So repeat.
I want the numbers on what side of the equation. You have to pay attention. Don't let things distract you. You want the numbers on what side of the equation?
On the right side. So yeah, ma.
Yes. You want the numbers on the right side. But when you move the numbers on the right side, the sign will change. So first of all, you need to simplify the numbers. So you have 5 and 7. So 5 plus 7 will give you what, Trinity?
5 plus 7 will give you 12.
12. Okay, good. Now let me use another color just to talk about the point. We look at the terms here. You have one term, let's call it A, which is negative 4x. And you have another term, let's call it B. You want all the letters on the left-hand side. So let's start all over again. I'm going to start all over. So keep in mind, can I simplify? Because that's what I had asked Gabriel. Can I simplify the 5 and the 7? And he said yes. He said yes, and I'm happy for that. He said yes. So 5 plus 7 is 12. So now we have negative 4x plus 12 equals to 2x. Tell me if you lost or if you understand what I just wrote. So I have my number. The only number would be this now. I put in a 1. And the terms will be here, A, and here. But where do I want all the terms again? Where do I want all the terms, Gabriel?
So on the right side.
I want the terms on the left side and the numbers on the right side, Gabriel.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah. So I want to put the 12 over on this side. I want to put the 12 over on this side. So negative 4x equals to 2x. What would I write now for the 12? Anybody could answer this one. What would the 12 be? Plus 12? Or would it be minus 12? What would it be?
Plus.
Minus.
Sorry?
Plus.
All right. So let me ask people one at a time. I can't get on to Analia. So Gabriel, would it be plus or minus 12? What do you say?
I think it'll be minus.
All right. Gabriel, ladies and gentlemen, said it's negative 12. Next, I want to ask Janicia, what would it be? Plus 12 or negative 12?
Plus 12.
Janicia, ladies and gentlemen, said plus. Gabriel, you said plus? No, you said negative 12. G, Gabriel. J, Janicia. Trinity,
Plus.
what do you say?
Plus.
plus 12. All right, ladies and gentlemen, roll the drum. What's the answer? If I take the plus 12 that is on this side, when it comes on the other side, it becomes negative. So we want to give Gabriel the cash prize of $1 million. So it's negative 12. Everybody okay with that?
Yes, sir.
Hold on, hold on.
Yeah.
All right. I had to go get my the charger for my laptop. Great. So everybody understands, so it's negative 12. So let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Big money. I want to find out, now that we have the minus 12 on the right-hand side, I want to move the 2x over to the left-hand side. Ladies and gentlemen, I want the 2x on the left-hand side. So I have my negative 4x, and I want the 2x to come across there. So I want that 2x to come over on the other side. So let's ask Gabriel again. Would it be positive or negative when it comes across? Gabriel.
So wait, so say it on the right side and like I know it went to the left side.
Yeah. Would
Well,
it would it be positive 2x or negative 2x?
I think I think it'll be like so I think it'll be positive.
You think what?
Oh no, wait. So I think it'll be negative, sir.
All
Yeah.
right. Negative if you say
Yeah.
so. He says negative. Would he change his answer? We don't know. Janicia, would it be positive or negative?
Negative.
Negative. I don't know where everybody getting negative from, but will Trinity say negative too? Trinity,
Yes.
what do you say?
Negative.
Negative. We have three negatives. Well, I can't talk to Analia. There's a Teresa here. So you all are correct. Very good. So it's negative 2x, right? So it's this simple. It's this simple. Once you're moving from one side to the next, the sign will change. Very good, very good. Students take a long time to get this, and I think you all are getting it. So let me write over the question, negative 4x minus negative 2x equals to negative 12. Okay. Okay. Gabriel, you first. What is negative 4x minus 2x equal to? Put in a G.
So that'll be equal to negative 6x.
And Gabriel is saying that it will be negative 6x, but let's not get ahead of ourselves. Let's go to Janicia and ask her the same question. Negative 4x, Janicia, minus um minus 2x will give me what? The signs are the same. What answer would I get?
Negative 6x.
And she also is saying negative 6x, people. Is this correct or what? Let's go to the young Trinity. Let's go to the young Trinity. Trinity, what do you see? Huh?
Positive 6x.
She says positive 6x, ladies and gentlemen. Why? Trinity?
Because they both have the same sign.
Yes, they have the same sign. Look, negative and negative here.
Makes a positive.
Right. It means that you have to add them. But you have to now look at the number itself, the 4 and the 2. What sign is in front of the 4?
Negative.
So it's negative 6x. All right, Trinity? You get that?
Yes, sir. So I think I mix it up.
Huh?
I think I mix it up for a second.
Oh, okay. So when the signs are the same, you sum. So 4 and 2 is 6. Look at the numbers, 4 and 2. Which one is bigger? 4. What sign is in front of the 4? It's negative, so you carry back that sign. All right. All right. So here we're going to ask these 3 contestants another question. Gabriel, I have negative 6x equal to 12x. What am I going to divide by, Gabriel? Negative 6x equal to negative 12x. What am I going to divide by?
So we divided by 6.
You're dividing by 6?
Yes, sir.
That is your final answer, right?
Yes, sir.
You sure?
Yeah, well, yeah.
All right, all right. The man, ladies and gentlemen, the man says 6. Who am I? Who am I to say otherwise? Janicia, you have negative 6x equal to negative 12. What am I dividing by?
6.
Janicia says 6. So is it positive 6 or negative 6, Janicia?
Negative 6.
So you're changing your answer. You move from 6 to negative 6, you?
Yes, sir.
So she sounding confident, ladies and gentlemen. Gabriel, you staying with 6 or negative 6? You don't have to listen to the peasants, you know. What are you going to do, Gabriel? You're staying with your positive 6?
So I think I should change it to negative because like and to be like negative 6 times a number x or something.
Don't say and something so. So what are you doing? You're staying with this plus 6. No, you want to change, right?
Yes, sir.
Boy, if you want to change, that is you. That is you, yes? You want to change. Let me hear what Trinity says. Trinity, we have negative 6x equal to negative 12. What am I going to divide this equation by? An equation has an equal sign, people. Trinity, what are we going to do? Are we going to Sorry?
So I didn't say anything.
Oh, okay. So she doesn't see anything, ladies and gentlemen.
No, I said 6.
6. She says 6. You're going with 6?
Mm-hmm.
You're not changing it. You're not even going with negative 6.
Oh, no, negative 6. Yes, negative 6.
Wait. All confusing me, man.
No, Saturn go and ask me something else.
So, yeah, well, tell me. You're going with positive 6 or negative 6?
Positive.
You see? So you're staying with positive 6?
Yeah,
Why?
because a negative and a negative is a positive. So I don't understand. My next lessons tell me that. So I don't know if I get wrong information.
You just have to know when to use your information. Listen carefully. Whatever number is in front of the x, this is my x. Whatever number is in front of the x tells me what to divide by. Trinity, what I just say?
The number in front of the x tells you what you're dividing by.
Right, what number is in front of the x?
6.
That is 6?
Yes.
No, man, that is not 6. That's 6 with a dash next to it on its left side is a 6.
Negative 6.
That's a negative 6. This is negative 6.
Yes, sir.
You sure, Gil?
Yes, sir.
All right. So why are you telling me divide by positive 6 then? I have to divide by what, Trinity?
Negative 6, sir. Negative.
But you tell me positive. Which one we going with Trinity?
Negative 6.
Ladies and gentlemen, she changing her mind, and that's the answer. You go with you divide by negative 6. But whatever you do on the left hand side of your equation, you must do it on the right hand side of your equation. Now the negative signs people cancel off, so there's no more negative. The sixes cancel off. 6 into 6, 1. 6 into 6, 1. So it's 1x or x. What's the answer, people? Is it x equal to 2 or negative 2? Is it x equal to 2 or negative 2? So let me start with Gabriel.
Say 2?
You saying 2, boy? You sure about that, boy?
Yes, sir.
Yes. All right, if you say so, let me ask Janicia. Janicia, tell him, is it 2 or negative 2?
Negative 2.
And she says negative 2. Why, Janicia?
Because it have a negative sign in front of it.
Right, you have a negative sign and a negative sign. But the thing is with these negative signs, they cancel. Right? So now they cancel out, and they cancel out meaning that it becomes positive. 6 into 6, 1. 6 into 12, 2. So Trinity, the answer is 2 or negative 2.
2.
You sure about that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the answer is 2. The answer is 2. All right. I'll give you all one more question. I didn't have it in the, I didn't, this one is just to test you to see if you all are okay with what we have been doing. So, so let's look for a question, and you all will send it the answers to my WhatsApp. So I'm looking for a question. I can make up one, but let me just use the textbook. Let's see what they have. All right, so let's go. All right, so look at this one, everybody. This is kind of simple. Oh, here is one. All right, look at this one. Look at this one. This one is what you're going to do for me. And it is 3x. Let me see how to do this. Minus 4 plus 12x equal to 2x minus x minus 1. So here what you're going to do for me, you will simplify. You hear what I'm saying, Gabriel? I'm using that word again, simplify. Simplify means that if there are, look at the terms. There's a term here, I'm calling it A. Now, let me use another color. There's a term here, let's call it A. There's another term here, let's call it B. There's another term here, let's call it C. There's another term here, let's call it D. Right. Now, there's a number here, first number. There's a number here, second number. So we have 4 terms, A, B, C, D. So I want you to simplify the terms. All I want you to give me is the second line, people. All I want take a picture. I want this second line. That's all. This is line 1. I want line 2. Take a picture of your line 2 and send it to my WhatsApp. All I want you to do is to simplify. So you're simplifying A and B, C and D because they are terms. Go ahead. You have 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, Analia, you're responding in this WhatsApp chat, man. I like that. I like that. Very good. Very good. Very good. I like that. Oh, this is Teresa coming into the class. So welcome, Teresa. I was wondering who it was. Teresa, open your mic and say hello. Teresa, Sorello, your mic working? Because you have to talk, Everybody here have to talk.
So I use my mommy phone now, so the mic working.
Oh, Analia, nice to hear your voice. Good. Good. So Teresa, since this is your first class, Teresa, you hearing me properly? Teresa, Sorello,
So I sent a message in the chat separate.
you sent a
Separate.
message in the chat for me?
Yeah. My mommy sent a message and tell you.
Oh, you send the picture already, easy. Oh, all right, all right. Okay, all right. You have a little error, but we'll talk about it just now. Let's wait for the others to send their work. So good try, good try. All right, so Gabriel sent his work. And then I will wait on, all right, so let me see what Gabriel did, boy. Oh, Gabriel did that. All right, all right. All right, so here what everybody doing because they are accustomed, that's where teachers teacher in school. So all right, so put all the X's on the left-hand side and all the numbers on the right-hand side. Go ahead, do it that way if you want. If you simplify it, I'm happy. But if you want, just put all the X's or the terms on the left-hand side and all the numbers on the right-hand side. Good. Teresa, could you hear me? Do that for me, hurry up. Send me a picture, everybody. Send me a picture. All right. So some people just sent me, so let me tell you what you sent. Um, no, I don't, Trinity, I don't know why you're doing it like this, But I'll allow you for today. This is not what we do in math, but oh, I see what you're doing. Okay. Cool. That could have been done. Yeah, Trinity. Yeah, you could do that. All right. All right, one more person. I'm not hearing from Teresa. Janicia. Oh, okay. All right. Nice. Good try. I think you're all making a good try. But what is happening is that your teachers did not take enough time with algebra, right? And everybody happy to move on to other things, and the basic thing was not done properly. Because I was ready to teach graphs today, but I'm happy that I'm spending a little more time on this. So watch carefully, everybody. I'm going to write over the question. It's 3x minus 4 plus 12x equals to 2x minus x minus 1. So I'm going to name the terms just to identify them. Term A, term B, term C, term D. But what I have to do, I have to put an equal sign. So I have 3x from this 3x. I have plus 12x from this plus 12. When I move this 2x and carry it over on the other side, what does it become? Trinity. When I move the 2x and carry it to the left-hand side, it becomes what, Trinity?
Negative.
It becomes
So
what?
I have an answer, but I'm not sure about my answer.
Yeah, well, that's all right. Try. At least try. You don't have to always get it right or always get it wrong. What?
Negative.
What would it be?
Negative.
Negative what?
Negative 2x.
Negative 2x. Gabriel, is she right? She took the
Well,
2x over on the other side. Would it be negative 3x? 2x?
so I think no.
Yes. The sign
Oh,
changes, so it becomes negative 2x. And what about this one?
wait, what?
That negative x. What would it become when it's on the left-hand side?
And to be positive, no?
Yeah, correct. Positive x. Don't doubt yourself, people. That's very good. And what about the negative 4 here? When I bring it on the same side with the negative 1, it will become what?
Says he's talking to me.
Positive 4? That's what you say?
No, ask if you're talking to me or like in
No,
general.
anybody could answer.
Um, well, positive for.
Yeah, correct. That's right. So everybody work out what is 3x plus 5x. So everybody write this down. So we have line 1, we have line 2. I want line 3. I want line 3.
So line 3 will be the answers for line 2.
No, you have to simplify. What is 3x plus
Oh,
what is 3x plus 12x?
okay, so
How much is that?
So 5.
How much?
15x.
And what is negative 2x plus x? Negative,
Negative 2x.
how much?
2x.
Negative 2x plus 1x.
Negative 3x.
The signs are the same or different?
Difference. So I would take
And when they are different, what do you do?
subtract.
Right. So 2 minus 1 is?
1.
Good.
Also, I did get that. Okay.
All right. So would it be positive 1 or negative 1? Positive 1x or negative 1x?
Oh, negative 1x.
Beautiful. And what is negative 1 plus 4?
Negative. No, negative 3x.
No, there's no x on the side.
Oh, negative 3.
Negative 3.
Yeah,
Gabriel,
sure.
you agree with that answer? Negative 3.
Um,
Negative 1 plus 4. Is it negative 3?
no, sir. See, I think that would be 2.
2?
Yeah.
If you have 4 things.
Right. So is like 1 and minus 1. Wait, is minus 1 and 1.
Yeah,
So
but you
like
have to
it'll be
learn
like 2
this.
minus
When the
2.
signs are different, you take away the 2 numbers. When the
Oh,
signs are the same, you add the 2 numbers. So are the signs different or the same?
it says difference.
They are what?
The difference.
Right, so you have to subtract 1 from 4,
That would be 3.
right? So would it be negative 3 or positive 3?
Says I think it's positive
Why?
because like well, so I thinking about it like I don't know maybe because is minus um so I kind of lost like
Nah, you're in loss. You're getting it. Actually, you're on the right track, actually. And this is how math begins. It starts with these little, you're not sure, and after a while, you start getting better at it. So you need to remember when the signs are different, you subtract the numbers, but you look at the 2 numbers. So you have to look at the 1 and look at the 4. Which one is bigger?
the force
What sign is in front of the 4?
um the plus sign, sir.
Right, so the 3 is positive. Your
All right.
answer always carry the sign of the bigger number in the answer.
Wait, what?
All right?
Oh, okay, all right, yeah. All right.
Yeah. All right. Everybody write down for me line 1, line 2, and line 3. I want you now to send to my chat, my WhatsApp, line 4. I want line 4. Teresa, could you hear me? What you can do, you can answer me by sending a message to me in Zoom here or on my WhatsApp. So I know, Teresa, that you are hearing me. Teresa Sorello, I'm seeing you, but I'm not hearing anything. Teresa, could you hear me? Right, beautiful, beautiful. So you're sending messages to me just like this. until you could figure out why you cannot talk in the chat. All right, Analia, now that you're using mommy's phone, you should be able to talk as well. No, it's not harder. You have 15x and you have negative 1x. What do you do? What do you do when you have 15x and negative 1x? Everybody, how would I? Yes, Analia. What do we do? How would you get line 4? So go ahead, Analia.
So you remove the X.
You write it and send it to me. Send it to my WhatsApp. All right, so look out for the homework again. All right. I always give homework. When you finish, you'll take a picture and you'll send the homework to my WhatsApp. All right. I will try to send the homework tomorrow, so that gives you enough time to. Right. So, Janicia, what would be line 4?
$14x equals
Very good. Very what for Janicia and easy. It will be 15x minus 1x, which will give me 14x equals to 3. Anybody lost? Anybody lost? Anybody don't know how I got that? Anybody lost?
No, sir.
So everybody understand how I got the 14x? I want everybody to say you're putting it
Yes.
in the chat for me now. The Zoom chat privately. You're sending it to teacher, capital TEACH here. I want everybody, all 4 of you, to send in the chat, the Zoom chat, what am I dividing by? What am I dividing by? So let me see the answer. What am I dividing by? Very good, Janicia. No, Trinity, you made a small mistake. You made a small mistake. Gabriel and
So
Annalisa.
I don't know.
You made a small mistake. So just check out your work again. You made a small mistake. I won't tell you yet. You almost had the answer, but you made a small mistake. What are we dividing by? 14x equals to 3. What are we dividing by? You almost got a Trinity. So you try it again. You have to have confidence in yourself, Gabriel, yes. So continue and finish it up, Gabriel. Continue, finish it up, Janicia. Um, Analia, what are we dividing by? Send it in the chat. No, and Trinity, it is not 14x. It is 14. No, Analia asks you to put it in the chat. So we are dividing by 14 people. Remember I said you divide by the number in front of the x. You divide by the number in front of the x. So whatever I do on one side, I do on the... So my answer is, you could leave it x equals to 3 over 14. Anybody lost? Take it down. Take it down. So Trinity, we are dividing by what?
Number in front of x.
You're dividing by 14, not 14x. Some students make that mistake. I don't want you making that mistake. You're dividing by 14. You understand that, Trinity?
Yes, sir.
All right, good. All right, I wanted to do one more, I think we don't have enough time, but I would have liked to do one more just to make sure that you all understand. Excuse me. So here what we're going to do. I'm going to do one more quickly just to verify that you all understood what we did today. So look at this one. 3x minus 6 minus 4 equals 2x minus 2 minus 2. So I want all the numbers on the left-hand side. Sorry, all the terms. All the terms. All the terms on the left-hand side. And on the right-hand side will be all the numbers. So I want to say a second line quickly, everybody. I want to say a second line, everybody. Send it to my WhatsApp. Hurry up, send your second line. This is the last question for the evening. And you could go back and look at the recording. Oh, Janicia. Beautiful. No, Janicia, when you carry -6 onto the right-hand side, would it still be -6?
So that was a
And,
mistake.
and when you carry a -4 onto the right-hand side, would it still be -4?
No, it will be positive.
So change it, change it. So good try, Janicia, but change it. All right, so I'm waiting on Gabriel, I'm waiting on Trinity. I'm not seeing Teresha. She was here, she left. So Jenny says understanding, but taking a little while, don't worry. You'll get it. So come on, everybody. All right, so I see Trinity just sent us. That's what we're talking about, Trinity. All right, so you have it line up like that. That is better. Repeat. No, well, yeah, and this is the problem that Trinity, you're looking good. Things looking nice, but you made a small error. Because
So is it by the 2?
yes,
Yeah,
you're
I
not
was
supposed to
confused.
change the signs of the two because they are still on the left hand, on the right hand side.
Yeah,
Oh, good.
I was expecting that.
All right, good, good. So, so the 2 becomes -2, and that is the mistake you made too. This 2, when you carry it on the other side, it becomes -2x. Okay, Trinity?
Yes, sir.
So once we understand this, I think you all are on the right track. We're going to do some angles later on. I'm not going to do the graphs yet. I'm going to do some angles with you. So next class, I'll correct the homework and then we'll do some angles, different types of angles. All right. So let's look again. Gabriel, no, when you bring the 2x over, it should be -2x. Look on the 2 should be 3 in your line 2. It should read 3x minus 2x. So that is your error. The 6 on this side becomes +6 and the 4 +4 because they were negative, so it becomes 6 plus 4. The sign changes. So line 2 should look at what I have. Look at what I have on my on the board, the blackboard.
All right, yes, sir.
All right. Analia, 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 remember the terms are on the left side. So you were to bring the 2x on the left side and the 6 and the 4 on the right side. Watch what I have for line 2. So line
Okay.
2 is here.
Sir, you're muted.
All right, so Trinity, this is the left-hand side. I want you to keep left-hand side. This is the right-hand side. I want you to do it like this. Don't do it like how you're doing it in the book. That will confuse you. All right, always have an equal sign under equal sign. So what is 3x minus 3x?
1x.
1x, 1x, 1x. What is 6 plus 4?
10.
10.
So 10
10.
minus 2 minus 2. What is minus 2 minus 2?
4. Minus 4.
Beautiful. So
Positive
it's
4.
10 minus 4. And what is 10 minus 4?
6.
6. So your answer is 6. Everybody take this down. So you have line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5 lines to get the answer. So x is equal to 6. X is equal to 6. So the class became a little more intense because you all are understanding the work a little better. So what I'm going to do, we won't able to do the graphs, but I'm not going to do the graphs on Monday. Instead, I'm going to do angles. I'm going to check your angles. So look out for the homework tomorrow. Look out for the link for this class tonight. So the recording